All right, folks, here we go again. Another day, more of the drone drama. So if you've been losing sleep over whether Big Brother is coming for your Mavic, grab your coffee because today's update is one part good news, one part bureaucratic mystery, and a dash of sarcasm for flavor. Let's dive into the NDAA for 2025. Spoiler alert, your drones are safe. For now. First off, huge sigh of relief. There's no DJI drone ban for consumers. That's right, you can still buy, fly, and crash your favorite drones to your heart's content. The dreaded Countering CCP Drones Act? Gone. Vanished. Poof. But before you break out the confetti, let's chat about the fine print. Because, of course, there's always fine print. So Section 1709, or as I'll call it, the wait and see clause. This section wants a national security agency to analyze the threat level of drones like DJI and Autel. Sounds like the start of a spy thriller, right? But who's doing this analysis? The FBI? The NSA? Some guy named Bob in his basement? No one knows. The clock's ticking now. They've got 12 months to figure it out. Until then, it's business as usual for us. But let's not sugarcoat this. If the analysis decides these drones are a threat, or, plot twist, no analysis happens at all, we could see changes around late 2025. New models might get blocked from US shelves, but don't worry. Your current drones are safe. Nobody's busting down your doors to confiscate your fleet. Next is Section 805, no ban for consumers. So let's highlight this. Underline it, tattoo it on your arm, whatever. No ban on DJI drones for consumers. Fly them, film with them, and please try not to lose them in trees. But federal agencies? Different story. They've been told to avoid Chinese-made drones for sensitive operations. So, sorry CIA, you're grounded. Section 9004, boosting American drones. So here's the patriotic twist. Uncle Sam's pouring cash into US drone manufacturing. Think buy American, but for flying cameras. Federal funding is all about creating secure, homegrown options for government use. But you're still free to snag that shiny new DJI drone without worry. So what's next in 2025 then? Well, by 2025, the government's aiming to have a robust US-based supply chain for federal operations. And while that sounds fancy, it doesn't affect your ability to fly drones, whether recreationally or commercially. So FPV pilots, DJI fans, and aerial storytellers, keep those batteries charged and your creative juices flowing. So in short, well, it's kind of late for that, right? Anyway, here it is in a nutshell. DJI drones are not banned for you. Federal agencies? Yeah. They have restrictions, but that's their problem. And your drone dreams are still alive and well. So there it is, your drone update, and hopefully the very last one of these videos that I have to make for at least 12 months. So drone pilots across the country, rejoice and celebrate responsibly. Make sure to leave me a comment down below and let me know your thoughts on this. Is this the last we're gonna hear about any sort of ban for a year? Or do you think Skydio and Stefanik have other plans up their sleeves? I'd like to hear your thoughts. So if this video saved you from an existential crisis, Hulk smash the like button, subscribe if you're new, and click the bell for future videos. Also visit my website jeff-gresham.com to pick up my new Lightroom preset pack, featuring 13 presets that I designed and I use for all my photo projects. And until next time, get out and shoot, fly safe, and stay creative. And I'll see you in the next one.